The city in 2.7k. That's always good, isn't it? Making noise in the city. 25 zones. How annoying. Woo, bicycle. What's this car trying to do? Trying to say I can't be here? I'm gonna have to be here with my motorbike. Gotta slow down, but you slow down, car. Slow down. This car's trying to sneak up on me on the left. Pretty sure it's 60 zone, buddy. You're crazy. Just completely blocked this car by riding over this land. Yep, there he goes. He's like, yeah, I'm going over there. That guy overtook you. Let's follow him. You want a crazy car, you're a crazy Honda. You're a crazy Honda. You're a crazy Honda. You're a crazy Honda. See, I knew he was trying to get closer. Look, now he's gonna push the Sweetman. What a knobhead. What a knobhead. Let's make a funny video where you rage at people. Yeah. I really don't care. But, you know, I'm just saying. I'm just saying what happening. That's all I'm saying, man. So no intercom today. Sweetman. Sweetman's got a eBay, an eBay, an eBay intercom. Nah, it's probably got a brand name. I don't know. Or maybe someone just put it together in their, you know, in their house. Oh, let's make an intercom today. I can eBay it. Well, I bought my intercom off eBay as well. So. Or whatever. Man, if you didn't have your camera rolling all the time, you wouldn't be able to record all your ramblings. That would be not. That would be like, oh. People got to hear this stuff. This is entertainment. I mean, imagine if Sweetman ran his camera all the time. Imagine how much rambling we would hear. If you agree, click the like button on this video.